Welcome to the Robinson Curriculum Orientation video. We're going to have several sections here. Here we're just getting started. And what you're looking at is the Robinson Curriculum software application. You can see here we're in version 2.2D, released January 15 of 2010. And this software, which runs on Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7, and Windows 8, is your guide to the contents on all the 22 CDs. And so when you pop in a CD, if Windows pops up something and tries to help you view the files on the CDs as if they're pictures, you simply need to close that window and make it go away. What we want to do is access all the content through the Robinson Curriculum software. There are 22 CDs in the Robinson Curriculum, and if you have the Henty Collection, 6 blue CDs there. And they can all be accessed through the same interface.